Tapsy, boy, big up me, man, next one.
Yeah, man. Yo, it's Shorty. Big up Crudhead, big up Cobster, big up G.C.
Nats.
Older man, big up Liverpool soldiers.
Yes. Listen, yo. Shit with the causing. Seagulls a babe station posing. £1.50 a minute, that's appalling. If I see a bus like a cattle, I'm posing. For the bitch up, started choking. Bring it out, started smoking. Something up, started choking. Your type of guy who plays with your full skin. People say that bars are fresh. No from Africa, no Bangladesh. If you want a test, I'm the best chef. Come on then, rude boy, it's a contest. Girl with sex, for a tenner. I will fucking leave her in Greta. Best me man, I leave her in Kenya. Can't tell that her name was Glenda.
Straight lit like a gas and a matchstick. Punch him in the face, man, I call it a nap trip. When I'm round with him, I Harry Potter magic. Sticking like a Jedi, could you imagine? Straight on your face, that's tragic. Bouncing a fat 10, man, just bag it. Man, you're gonna like fat bird shagging. Going on, go look at my swag is lagging. Go skits like a lion. Put me in a ring, man, I like Mike Tyson. I'm like a football, got stuck bison. If I can't fuck you, gonna end up biting. This is a scrappy, cold as fighting. Gonna match it lighting. Listen to me now when these bars are everywhere writing. Every man knows that they're hype.
Okay, man, I'm on backtrack. Don't give a shit, you look like post back on crack. Think you wanna come back, man, with a track, I come back. Give you one slap and that. Yo, listen. Yo, listen. If I've got a flag, then make sure it's stealing. If I've got a spliff, then make sure it's burning. Tunk next man, then make sure it hurts him. Your girlfriend, man, she couldn't stop squirting. Okay, I'm gonna switch my bars. Your girlfriend's just going in hard. So I wanna say, come on my yard, Nathan's yard, and you will get pawed.
Yo, listen. Smash it off. Yeah. Yo. Big up chef. Yo. It's hard like a cocked up shotgun, left right with that man's gonna get some. I don't know why when I spit for the fun, when I weigh it all in, might as well make a ton. When I straight up and jump off, already won. Don't pray no nuns win cause I'm good. Wearing a body with a black top hook when I'm stood straight up, that's a good job done. Easy, already squeezed it. I bleed real hard just like a demon. I get man's on his knees already pleading. Scale of the blueprints already scheming. Yes. Got all the 10 men retreating. Short is the name they're repeating. Man thinks he's gonna beat me, but that man they be dreaming.
Mix some peas, I'm like these, chick from the police. It's like when I'm trying to make some peas by selling my weed, cause that's what you need. Hit you in the face and make sure you bleed. Bye bye nana, get some sleep. I'm gonna go down so deep, don't call me a one, don't call me a creep. It's like if I see weed, you better be rapping. It's like rude boy, why are you chatting? Yo gal, yes I will tapping. Mess me rude boy, man, I will slapping. It's like these, chick for the federal. Is that shit I need to pick up my petrol? You can say that my boys are mental. Yo gal, nah she ain't gentle. Cause she's so funky, jumped on me like she was a monkey. She's fat like a Kit Kat chunky. With something up, I think she was hungry. Look it, man, she's got a bucket, fam. How can this guy even fuck it, man? Yo, Ovi, yes I took it, Dan.
Yo, big chef city, Liverpool.